up, Fighting the Fish? Hey, I got my buddy Greg for opening day. What's up, Greg? All right, we're off on a windy day. It's opening weekend. We're getting a late start. And Greg is one of my few friends that enjoy catching pike. So today, we're gonna try to put some pike in the boat. How many do you think we can get?
What numbers?
10. 10 pike.
10 pike.
It's a challenge. 10 pike, let's do it. Big pike. I don't know yet. Woo!
There we go.
There we go.
Opening day has
That's the first
officially.
fish. First fish of the season, of the
Yes.
official season.
Beautiful.
There we go.
That's a nice fish.
Nice. That was awesome, man. We've only been out here. We've only been out here for a couple of minutes. Me and my buddy Greg. Opening day. Well, opening weekend. Is it a pike?
Yeah. One of the big muskie hits it. Hey there, buddy.
Yeah.
That's
It's released. That's a great release.
That's the lazy man's release.
Oh,
right there.
man.
Nice.
Wow, guys, welcome to opening fishing weekend. Greg and I have only been out here for how long? Like, not long at all.
Not even an hour.
Not even an hour. I mean, we just kind of just got started, and we don't mind catching pike. A lot of people are like, they only want to catch bass, but like, it's fun to catch pike.
It's my
right?
favorite fish.
Yeah, he freaking loves catching. He see how he left me hanging on the knuckles there?
Oh, I
The
did.
social distance, dude. Social distancing, man.
True. Oh, we got gloves on.
That's why we have the gloves. Let's go catch some more. That's
Maybe
freaking
get
awesome.
someone to flag for that. Bring him in there.
There you go. That's a good fish.
Yeah, it's not bad. So we are using, barely hooked him too.
Let's take a look at that jig.
Yeah. So we are using,
So that's a Fighting the Fish jig.
there you go.
Here we go. That's a jig. Good release. There he goes. Nice work, Greg.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
So it's with the paddle tail.
Yeah, guys. So this is a. I don't know. Hold on. Let me try to. Freaking new camera. If I drop this in the lake, it's gonna suck. All right. It's a weird angle with this camera. All right, guys. So hey, I'm gonna show you guys what we're using. Right. It is one fish after another right now for pike. Not bass yet, but this is whatever, man. This is freaking awesome. You know, we're just catching a ton of fish. We're using the Fighting the Fish swim jigs with a rage tail. With a rage tail like paddle tail or swim jig trailer. So here, I'll show you guys what it looks like.
Pretty jig. And that got that wide mouth on the bottom. I feel that this will help. This helps against the weeds too.
Yeah.
Feels like it. So just been ticking the weeds today, and I've been pounding the pike. Just keeping it as close to the weeds as you can get it. Slow.
Let's go get some more.
Oh, yeah.
They gotta be like crazy big here.
What do they have here?
32, I think.
Really?
Yeah.
Good. Keep that pike up.
Well, that's why there's a ton of them here, I think. I should have bought more tails when I was at Fleet Farm yesterday. This fish report. It's been a little while now, so let's kind of take you back. Is that we lost a few fish over the last hour, but I haven't put another fish in the boat. The wind just picked up like crazy, and we need to go all the way across the lake to fish another bay. And it's like treacherous out there. It's like how many miles an hour is this wind? 30. Greg says 30, maybe 40. I don't know. If you're, it's bad. It's bad. Should we go? Will we survive?
Will we survive?
Comment below.
If you decide to go to the bay, turn to page 36.
If
If you decide to stay in one area, turn to page 42.
it's a choose your own adventure video. All right. If you decide to stay in this bay out of the wind, what did you say? Turn to page 5? 26. This won't make the video. The whole video is probably just like because of the wind right now. fish. Biting the fish. My GoPro all wet. Oh my God, you guys. Whew, I don't know if the GoPro captured that. We're halfway to our spot. What do you think, Greg? We're fun times.
It's cold, man.
I have like, I'm freezing, like the water hit my head so hard. Oh my God. I don't know if the GoPro did that justice. Okay, we have halfway to go. Here we go. Woo! Ah! 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 Well guys, we didn't catch any fish in that spot. We saw a big muskie, about 4 foot long muskie. That was cool. And we're going to get some food. We risked everything. We risked our life to get to that spot. No fish. Well, I'm going to get some food. Let's take a little bit of a flashback to, how about the last opening day? Last opening day?
Good idea.
Flashback to last year's opening day. Here we go. Whoosh. Holy cow, this is a big mama. Yeah. Woo!
Nice one.
That's a big one. Oh yeah, dude, that's a big fish. This is a first opening day bass right there. It's freaking huge.
It's like your third cast.
That was my third cast, yeah. Yeah, on the fish. Very nice fish. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. There we go. Big boy drink.
Couple napkins.
Oh, that's real nice. This is gonna be good, right? I think that ranch is yours. There was only one.
Oh. Okay.
And I don't. The ranch is. I don't need the ranch. It's okay. So this is gonna be good.
They only had one?
Oh yeah, check it out.
Oh, beautiful.
Do they have one? Well, I think they just actually like brought one.
Oh.
Waffle fries. But this is a good idea.
Yeah.
I mean, the boathouse is always a good idea. That's the restaurant. Oh man. Oh my God, you're gonna love the burger.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, that's freaking good.
Oh, you want a size of ketchup and stuff?
Oh yeah, is there ketchup in there? Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear me with the wind, but live bait rig. Got one on the live bait rig. Nice, Greg. Pike number 6 or 7. 10. Fish number 10. That counts. It don't matter if it's small, it counts. Felt like a tank, man. It felt like a giant. We did it. Pike number 10. It's a dink. It's fine though. It's fine.
That's all right.
It's all. Oh! Don't get my new camera wet.
Jeez.
Come on. Hey, hold on. He inhaled this. Oh my gosh. All right. Dink pike. I don't care. Opening day. Fishing with my good buddy Greg. Had a blast today. This is fish number 10. We put 10 pike in the boat. I don't Number 11. Number 11 coming to the boat. Staying down. I don't know what's going on here. Dude, get that net. Get the net. Holy cow. Whoa! Holy cow! Oh my god, dude, it's freaking huge. Well, what? What? Fishing for pike? We just got a freaking giant walleye.
Beauty. 26 inches that measure.
That's nice, man. It's just, man, it hit that quiver jig that we were throwing.
Yeah.
So that's it, guys. We caught 10 pike, a nice walleye today. It was awesome fishing with my buddy Greg. The real outro for now. We're out of here. We had a great day. Hold up, let me get Greg here. Can we see you in there, Greg?
Yeah.
All right, guys. We'll catch you next time on Fighting the Fish.
Fighting the fish.